Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing more of the solar system and discussing what exactly would occur should Uranus collide with Earth. Uranus is the seventh planet in the solar system. Its name alludes to Uranus, the Greek god of the sky who, according to Greek mythology, was Ares' great-grandfather, Zeus' grandfather, and Cronus' father. It has the solar system's third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass. Uranus would continue to live a peaceful existence on the fringes of our solar system, approximately 3 billion kilometers or 1.9 billion miles from us. And then, it started inching closer. Astronomers would be the first to raise the alarm. According to their estimations, Uranus would take 13 years to arrive at the collision point. We'd be pressed for time, but at least we'd have a chance to save the planet. But the chilly blue giant had other ideas. This would be no ordinary planetary drill, as planets do not simply leave their orbits for no apparent reason. Uranus, on the other hand, would. It would now be barreling through the solar system, reaching speeds of around 1,000 kilometers per second or 600 miles per hour. We'd only have about 1 month left on this planet because of the unexpectedly fast speed. Uranus would glow like a bright blue star in the sky, growing larger and bolder each day. Our sky would be stunning, not just because of the ice giant, but also because of the numerous shooting stars, only those would not be stars. Uranus would have to pass through an asteroid belt between Jupiter and Mars to reach Earth's orbit. Many asteroids' stable orbits would be disrupted, and some of them would be thrown our way. These asteroids can grow to be as large as 240 kilometers or 150 miles in diameter. That's several times the size of the one liable for the extinction of the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. We'd be stuck without a place to go. We'd be trapped here, observing the end of the world manifest in front of our eyes. Why not take in the scenery? Uranus would be similar in size as the Moon by the time the first asteroids emerged as shooting stars. It would, however, grow quickly as it drew closer. Uranus would start stirring things up while you were here, waiting for society's demise. Because Uranus is roughly 15 times the mass of Earth, its gravitational pull would begin to have a significant impact on our planet. Volcanoes would erupt, convulsing, and massive earthquakes would join in, wrecking Earth from within. And then there's the stench. Even one hint of it would knock you out, since, well, Uranus smells like farts. The topmost atmosphere of the ice giant is mostly made up of hydrogen sulfide. It's the same thing that makes rotten eggs stink. Consider the Earth being engulfed by an entire planet of rotten eggs. Ugh. It makes us sick just thinking about it. But Uranus would not come by itself. It would be accompanied by all 27 of its moons, and those moons would collide with the Earth from all directions. Uranus would condense what was left of our atmosphere as a fart-filled finale, and the speedily rising temperatures would ignite it. Our lovely blue planet would follow suit and begin orbiting the ice giant, ultimately becoming another of its many moons. Uranus, on the other hand, would not get away with this attack so easily. It tipped over the last time it clashed with some other planetary object twice the size of Earth. Yes, Uranus is the only planet in our solar system that rotates on its side. Uranus's ring system, as well as the orbits of its 27 known moons, are tipped over more than 90 degrees relative to the plane of the solar system. Astronomers believe this unusual configuration is the result of a violent collision Uranus experienced shortly after birth, which also appears to have supercharged the planet's rotation. Uranus rotates around its axis once every 17 hours, much faster than Earth. However, specifics of that collision have proved elusive because computer models have continued to struggle to produce the Uranus system that we see today. In these models, for example, the mass of the post-impact debris disk is quite large, much larger than it should be given the overall mass of Uranus's moons today. Taking all of this into account, the researchers' models suggest that the body that collided with Uranus was icy and massive, with a mass between 1 and 3 times that of the modern Earth. This implies that our earthly residents could help tilt Uranus back to its former states, but that would be the end of the Earth as we know it. If, for some inexplicable reason, life on Earth's reeking leftovers resurfaced, we'd see the blue of Uranus on the horizon. What do you think would happen if Uranus collided with Earth? Did you expect this to happen? Let us know down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more future videos like this one. If you liked this video, consider checking out some of our other videos on the screen right now.